Did you know Vancouver's single-family home sales dropped a shocking 60% since 2020? Yeah, you heard that right. But here's the twist. You're not going to want to miss what comes next. The market's not dead. It's just shifting. And if you're sitting on the sidelines, waiting for a big crash, you might be missing out. Let's talk about what's really going on. Over the past 4 years, we've witnessed some wild shifts. Single-family home sales in Vancouver, down by almost 60%. That's a major change, and for many it feels like a crash. But here's where it gets interesting. Prices, they're holding steady. In fact, they've been remarkably resilient. So what does this mean for you? Whether you're a buyer, seller, or investor, understanding these trends could mean the difference between missing the boat or catching the perfect wave. Let's break it down. Buyers, this could be the perfect time to jump in. With single-family home sales down, prices have softened from 2022's peak. The market is stabilizing, which means opportunities for you, but you've got to act fast. Sellers, fewer buyers don't mean fewer chances. Prices are holding strong, and a smart pricing strategy could attract serious buyers who are ready to move now. Investors, you're looking at stability with a side of opportunity. While sales dropped, prices didn't crater. That's a good sign for long-term growth. Here's an interesting chart. Prices today versus the peak of 2022. Spoiler alert, we've seen a decline in prices since then, particularly in the single-family home market. But it's not all bad news. Prices are stabilizing. So here's the key insight. Buying or selling today isn't like 2022, but that doesn't mean the opportunity's gone. Now here's the juicy part, the November numbers. Yes, November 2024 sales numbers are in, and they're looking strong. In fact, November saw a nice jump in sales. Condo sales rose by a whopping 29%, and single-family home sales increased by 20%. What's going on? Looks like the buyers have put down their Netflix remotes and are back in action. November was a turning point, and momentum is clearly building. But here's the kicker. Prices are still steady or slightly dipping. Buyers, they're still in control of the market. But that could change quickly, so you need to know when to act. So what's the takeaway here? If you're buying, don't wait. The perfect deal could be just around the corner. If you're selling, price it right. Don't overestimate your asking price, but don't undersell either. Realistic pricing is everything right now. With inventory rising and more listings hitting the market, buyers have more options than ever. So if you're selling, be strategic. The goal is to get noticed, not to dream. And for you investors out there, this market is resilient. Condos, 30% sales increase. It's clear there's demand, and it's not going away anytime soon. The market's poised for steady returns, and in 5 years, we could be facing a serious shortage in supply. That's when the real opportunity will hit. Quick tips for anyone looking to make a move. For buyers, make competitive offers, but don't be afraid to negotiate. Some sellers may be more flexible than you think. Consider pre-sales. They're often a good deal in today's market with lower rates and low down payments. Look for developer incentives. Free furniture, cars, or higher deposit interest rates are becoming common perks. For sellers, price strategically. In a market with more listings, setting the right price is everything. Overpricing could leave you with a property sitting on the market. Offer incentives to stand out from the crowd. Work with professionals. Marketing, pricing, and negotiations are key. For investors, condos are still high demand. Prices may be stable or dipping slightly, but long-term, these units are a solid bet. Plus, increased sales now means less competition in the future. So here's the deal. The Vancouver and Fraser Valley markets are shifting, but they're not crashing. Sales are up, prices are stable, and inventory is growing. This is the time to act, whether you're buying, selling, or investing. If you're ready to take the next step, give me a call. Let's talk about how you can capitalize on these market trends before the momentum builds even more. Until next time, stay informed, stay strategic, and let's make your real estate goals happen. Cheers. Want to stay updated on the latest market trends? Like and subscribe to my Real Estate Insider for more insights and updates.